Ballast water management. Ballast water management is about controlling the water that ships carry in their ballast tank. Ships take in ballast water to stay balanced and ship will sailing, especially when they are not carry cargo. The problem is that ballast water can carry small sea animals, plants, and bacteria from one place to another. When these organisms are released into a new environment, they can harm local marine life and ecosystem. The Ballast Water Management Convention requires ships to treat their ballast water before releasing its ship must use approved ballast water treatment system or stringent ballast water is the open sea. This helps protect oceans, seas, and coastal waters from pollution and invasive species. Number two, anti-fouling system. An anti-fouling system is specially coating or paint applied to the bottom of ship. Its purpose to prevent marine organisms like garnish, algae, and shell from sticking to the ship oil. If these organisms grow on the ship, they can slow it down, increase fuel consumption, and cause more pollution in the past. Some anti-fouling paints use harmful chemicals that damage marine life. The anti-fouling system condition bans toxic substances like tribultin, TBT. It's allowed only safe and environmentally friendly coating. This regulation help protect sea life while still keeping ship efficient and safe to operate. Number three, other contemporary regulation or requirements. Other contemporary regulations are modern rules created to protect the environment from ship pollution. One important control pollution from oil, garbage, sewage, and air emission from ship. Another example is rules on air pollution, such as limiting sulfur content in fuel to reduce air pollution and protect human health. Ships are also required to manage garbage properly and avoid dumping into the sea. This regulation ensure the shipping activities are safe, clean, and environmentally responsibility. They help protect the ocean, marine animals, and people around the world. Yes, sir.